Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, and I'm only at 9%. All right, I'm at the half-hour mark, and I'm at 53%. Right, almost an hour and a half now. I'm at 83%. Okay, we're at 99%, and it's almost 10 o'clock. I started this at 7. Alright. Update failed. Give me a break. Oh my word. Update failed. What the heck? Seriously? No, restart DJI. Okay, wait a minute. Restart DJI device before updating the firmware. Okay. Well, let's shut it down. Okay. No, restart DJI device before updating. Okay. Get it going. Okay, you're started back up. I'm gonna go re-entry and see what it does. Retry. We're at 99%. It still says 99%. DJI is powered on, and the computer is connected to the internet. We're at 99%. Oh, we're doing it again. Well, we'll see how this works out. Oh my word. Yeah, it never fails to fail the first time. I can't tell you why. And I can see it was almost 9. It's almost 10 o'clock now. So, with that said, we'll see if it completes this next time around. Which, unfortunately, I don't dare upload any of my videos to YouTube because of this. So, I'm going to be a day behind, which isn't cool. I got a video edited. I edit a video every day. So, but I don't dare upload because it's going to take it'll take part of the whatever they are is that makes things work on the internet, because I don't have that much coming from my phone to do this. So if you've got regular internet, it shouldn't take any time at all. But like I said, I run off of my phone's hotspot to run all my computers. Well, as we can see, I had a network error again. And I'm thinking because of the speed of the download so slow, I've got to figure out how to
the headset automatically shuts off completely after 30 minutes. So I got to figure out how to override that, or I got to find faster internet. Alright, so after 3 tries, we're now at this point. It says, please connect the USB cable if the assistant cannot reach the drone for 5 minutes after drone reboot. I'm not exactly sure what that means. Other than let's connect the drones. Please connect the USB cable if the assistant cannot reach the drone after 5 cannot reach the drone for 5 minutes after drone reboot. Okay, now I guess we're gonna, well, that sounds like I need to connect the drone now. Please reconnect the USB cable. Assistant cannot read. Okay, so I think we're down. Alright. So this is done. If I pull this, goes here now off. Alright. Can't wait to see what. Alright, that's sad. Let me. Okay, I was charging that one. Battery. That's the next step. See, reconnect the excavator system. Cannot reach the drone. For 5 minutes after drone rebooting. Okay, so that's sad. Let's plug USB into U. Okay, let's power up. Okay, if you ask for assistance. Okay, that was the goggles. Firmware update. 30 minutes after rebooting. I don't know what that means. Kind of got me screwed up here. Assistant 2. Okay, now it says the Mavic Pro. Okay. I just came back out. Firmware update. Okay, so let's. We go here. See official latest 4 version. Okay, let's go with
current firmware on the Pro right now is 1.4300. We want to update to the latest one. There we go. Whole 10 minutes. Please ensure computer. Okay, so we're going to do this now. Here we go. Alright, now I'm updating the Mavic Pro itself. And you can tell that because when you look right up there, it's telling you Mavic Pro firmware updates. So when you do the assistant update, then it's up. So I now have of course I got the drone up. There we go. I have the drone up, sitting. I don't have the controller up, but of course now is 1%. I'm not going to hold you guys on this one right now. I'll let you know when we're halfway there.